In this video, you'll learn how to convert Bitcoin to Tether using Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage your cryptocurrency exchange within the app. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smoother transaction process. If prompted, log into your account using your credentials. Once you are on the main screen of Trust Wallet, locate and tap on the swap option. This is usually found in the main navigation area of the app, allowing you to access the cryptocurrency exchange feature. After tapping swap, you will see a new screen where you can begin the conversion process. Next, look for the From section. Here, you need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to convert. Tap on the From field and a list of available tokens will appear. Scroll through this list or use the search bar to find Bitcoin, also known as BTC. After selecting Bitcoin, you will be directed back to the swap interface. Now navigate to the To section. Tap on this field to choose the token you want to receive in exchange for your Bitcoin. You will see a list of available tokens again. Scroll or search for Tether, which is represented as USDT, and select it. Once you have chosen USDT, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, enter the amount into the designated field. The application may also display the equivalent amount of USDT you will receive based on the current exchange rate. This information is valuable for ensuring you are comfortable with the conversion before proceeding. After you've confirmed the amount, tap on the swap button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation screen will appear, providing you with a summary of the transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin being exchanged and the amount of USDT you will receive. Review this information carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the swap. The app will process your request, and you may see a loading indicator or progress bar while the transaction is being completed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few moments. Once the swap is successful, you will receive a confirmation notification. Finally, check your wallet balance to ensure that the USDT has been credited to your account. You can do this by navigating back to the main wallet screen and verifying your USDT balance. It is advisable to keep track of transaction fees and processing times, as these factors can vary and may impact your overall experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.